Deanne uses the large dataset to investigate the daily total rainfall, R millimeters, for Camborne. Write down how a value of R being between 0 and 0.05 is recorded in the large dataset. So apparently this is just trace or TR. Deanne uses the data for the 31 days of August 2015 for Camborne and calculates the following statistics. We can see that we have N is 31, the sum of R is 174.9 and the sum of R squared is 3523.283. In part B, we want to use the statistics to calculate the mean of the daily total rainfall in Camborne for August 2015. So the mean is going to be 174.9 divided by 31. So that's just the sum of the data divided by the number of pieces of data, which is 5.64 millimeters. That's correct to 2 decimal places. And then we want the standard deviation. So that is going to be 3523.283 divided by 31. Take away the mean squared, but I'm going to use the 174.9 over 31 so that I don't use the rounded figure. And calculating that gives us 9.05 millimeters, again giving that answer to 2 decimal places. Deanne believes that the mean daily total rainfall in August is less in the south of the UK than in the north of the UK. The mean daily total rainfall in Lucas for August 2015 is 1.72 to 2 decimal places. State, given a reason, whether this provides evidence to support Deanne's belief. Well, it turns out that Lucas is north of Camborne. So the one with the lower mean is actually further north. So that does not provide evidence, and you should say that, and actually state that the 1.72 is less than 5.64 amongst your statement. Deanne uses the large dataset to estimate the proportion of days with no rain in Camborne for 1987 to be 0.27 to 2 decimal places. Explain why the distribution B14.0.27 might not be a reasonable model for the number of days without rain for a 14-day summer event. He's used whole year data. The proportion of days with rain will not be the same throughout the year. So you can't do that. He would need to use comparable times of the year.